Adam here from the Drums Etc. Custom Shop. Today we have a special project. We are going to continue this project. Here we have a Pearl floor tom that was converted using the Jungle Rig setup to a little bass drum, and we have our custom logo head on there. This is going to be a permanent display in the store, so it's going to be a way that we can advertise that we install brackets and mounts. So we do all sorts of custom drum work here. So this is one of the things that we want to spread awareness about. So I'm actually going to install, you can see that where the arrows are, 3 tom brackets, tom holder brackets. These Gibraltars, put 3 of those on there, and then I can use that to display our varying options of different 1-inch tom holders. We've got a single, we've got a double. I'll put different ball arms on there just to spread the word about that, and it's going to be a permanent fixture of the shop. So check it out.